Guys, so this is the third part of our project. uh, the last one we prepared is the base plate of every column. Now it is all prepared for every column, and as you can see, the shape of our extension for the building is revised, but before it is aligned on this existing trench, but due to conflict on the column for the connection, so we decided to revise to this particular shape, as you can see. So now what we are going to prepare is the connection for the structural steel. As you can see in the model, we prepared all the beams, and now we are going to prepare the connection for this one, the connection for this beam to this column, from this beam to this beam. Okay, so what we are going to do first is the connection for this column to beam. So okay, let's get started for this one. So for this one, we go to the structure, the connection, and we will choose the gable wall and click this one. So we're going to click the column and control, click the beam, then enter. Okay, as you can see, the plate is coming from the beam. So what we're going to do is just click this one. Okay, and now it is connected. Oh, for this, see, so edit this one, edit, choose 25. For projection, 25. No, this is 6, this is 12. Yeah, so this is fine for this. So what we are going to do is we will check if the shear plate to this one will not be hit the connection here. Okay, so for the connection, go to shear. So this is the shear plate with stiffener. Click this one, enter. Yeah, so as you can see, that's why I put tried to avoid this on the middle. So because we have to put some plate there. Okay, but as you can see, it's not what I intend to. This is not the connection I really want. So change to shear. Try to this one. Yeah, this one. So we'll modify this one. Check this one and edit. So this is fine. This is fine. So top notch. So you can see. So this is fine. So this is fine. I think we need to rotate this beam so it will align on the. We will rotate this. We'll go here, then to the cross section rotation is 5.56. See, it will align. The problem now is I think this bolt will hit the web of the beam. So what we're trying to do for this one. So we're going to make this edit and going to make it 3. Yeah, so this will not be clash. It still can tighten the bolt to the bottom and lock it to the top. So there's no problem in the installation of this one, even in the removing of this. Right. So for now, we're going to edit the shear plate. For the shear plate, what we are going to do is edit. So top notch is okay. Beam cut is okay. This is 10. So top notch is okay. This is 10. This is 10. Bottom notch is fine for me. Beam stiffener. So the plate thickness should be 12. Yeah, see, it will not hit the bolt. Yeah, you can still, I think you can still put a larger distance. You can still have the place to adjust the size, the distance of the bolt. Okay. For plate and bolts, so plate layout, so this is 10. So this is fine. Plate shape, this is fine. This is 10. For the bolt hole, it's too big. Just, I think it's 20 is fine. We need to change this to A325. ASTM A325, and this is NEW only. And horizontal bolt holes, the edge distance is 47. I think, yeah, this is fine for me. It's 2, and the intermediate distance 70, make this 75. Edge distance 47. I think it's I think we need to modify some, because it's in the middle, and I think I don't want to put this on the middle. So we'll go back to the cut and top notch. For the top notch, for the one, you can make this I think this is 102. See, oh no, this is 10, and I don't think this is the. Okay, we will try to fix this later, but for now we will use the plate and bolt. For vertical, we need to make this 3. See, so this is now 3, and I'm still not happy with this bolt inside. So we need to go to the beam cut. This one, we need to, this is 103. Straight web. Yeah, this is what I really like. And for the bolt and nuts, bolt and holes. And make this 3/4. horizontal bolt, make this 150, and make this, yeah, see, this is what I intend to prepare. So it will have no clash inside. So this should be the, you can make this 2, and yeah, this only 35. Okay, so I think we need to prepare the connection for this one. Create similar, then click this one, then enter. So the connection is like this. So what we're gonna do is check, edit, then this is 102. Okay, this is 10, and the depth is okay. Then we'll go to the bolts and vertical, make this 3, make this 75, and for the vertical, make this for vertical, make this, I think this is 2, this is 102 or 100 feet. Wait, I will check the first one. So try to match this one to here. No, on this one, edit, burn, plate and holes, 150. Okay, so this one, edit, plate and holes, horizontal, this is 150. Okay, vertical, this is 3, and this 100 for steepener is 12. Yeah, so okay, so we prepared already the connection, and for this one, so this is what you call beam to column, or I think we need to, because for this one and this one, the connection is existing. These two members are marked up as existing. Cut back, straight web cut. I think we find what we are looking. Yeah, make this 10, and we go to straight to plate and holes for vertical. Make this 3. Yeah, that's fine. I think this is fine now. So alright, so we have prepared the connection for all the beams here, and that's all. Thank you, and see you in the next part for this project. Thanks.